This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android tablet to your TV. So this is very easy. If you just swipe down from the top right, there's one thing you need enabled is your Wi-Fi. So you can see my Wi-Fi option there. We can also just go to settings and scroll on down. Here's Wi-Fi. Make sure we're connected under Wi-Fi to the same network as our TV. So you can see SCUMP is enabled. I got 5G on there. And then here are the casting options down here. Enable wireless display connects directly to a Miracast device over Wi-Fi. So let's just make sure we got this turned on. And it gives me the option for my Samsung TV, my living room TV, my Google devices down there. So we can see that setting under here. Now another way that we can access this, if we scroll on down from the top right, there should be an option in here for casting, screen mirroring, something like that. So you can look through here to see if it's on here. If for some reason I can't see it, if it's really small, it could be called Smart Connect on here too. That could be it as well. So we can look at this. It says stay connected, and I don't think this is it. So I'm just going to get rid of this and then try a different one. So I don't see it under here, so you can just go to the option in the menus as well. So let's just go back here, get rid of this darn thing, and see ya. Go to casting. Now let's select one of these options. I got my living room TV. I can just select it. And I can decide if I want one app or the entire screen. And then go to cast screen. Just make sure your TV is on, connected to the internet. And it should be able to discover it. So I have mine plugged in. Now my TV is just turning on in the back now. So it's connected to the living room TV. And then I can just tap this and I can go to disconnect at any point in time. So let's disconnect it now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.